Hey everybody, we're going to be taking a look at the Riverview by Franklin Homes today. It's the 3-bedroom version. They got a bunch of different options when it comes to designing this house. We're going to take a look at this exterior real quick. They do have a 4-bedroom version already pre-designed, but it is in their classic series, so you can design it quite a bit if you like. As you can see on this house, we have that vertical board and bat vinyl siding around the whole side. You can do the normal horizontal siding if you like, or you can do hardy plank. We have those little window units help keep it cool during the summer. This is a wind zone too, you can see by all those tie downs. On the outside of the house, you got that water spigot, an exterior outlet, another exterior outlet over there, but you can add more if you like and actually specify where you want them. Got a little sliding door. And then let's go take a look at the front again. This house has turned out to be one of our more popular ones because of how open the inside is and all of the options when it comes to designing. You can see the nice wood shutters on the exterior, your nice dormer, and we even got a little bump out here. Got the 8-foot door as well. Let's go take a look at the inside. When you first walk in, you notice a lot of natural light coming in from that big 8-foot door and the 3 large windows. I don't know if you can see how large this casing is because of that bump out, but it's like a 2x10 or a 2x12 right there, which is really nice. You got the electric fireplace here with the stonework around it and the built-in built-in cabinets around there as well. We've been kind of lazy and hadn't put the TV up there above the mantle, but there's a lot of room in here. Very easy to set this living room up a lot of different ways and have all you want in here. If you notice, you got the 4 can lights on top of the ceiling fan. Gives you that extra light in the house. Make sure that you don't have any issues with that, but you even have lighting that is underneath the cabinets, which I absolutely love. Got the rolled edge countertops on top of these cabinets as well. You could do full cabinet stacks or bookshelves, whichever you like. You can also do that wood burning fireplace with the hearth there if you wanted. And I've even had people do shiplap accents on the sides along the wall to give it more contrast with the color. And if you notice, there's no carpet in here. Now the way this flooring is laid, it's laid so that there would be a small transition strip there along there, and you can easily opt in not to have that. Right here off of the living room, you got a big dining room space with the built-in chandelier. I do have customers add can lights in here in place of the chandelier or as well as the chandelier. That's definitely an option. And you got your sliding glass door on the exterior. You can do a regular door if you want or just windows. A lot of cabinet space in here. I love all the extra storage. And of course they do the wood doors and fronts. Pretty deep cabinet there, as well as that soft close door and drawer. It's your standard side-by-side stainless steel. We did the pot filler. This is that new penny round backsplash. They have it available in the bigger sizes as well as different colors. And you got your 60-40 split stainless steel sink. You can do a 1 basin where it won't have this divider right here. That is an option for you. Dishwasher off the side. Look how wide these drawers are. I don't think you can say you can't fit your silverware in there. I also love this dovetail edging they do. Makes it a lot better. And they also, as you can see, use screws to fasten instead of staples, which means you're less likely to have stuff fall off. And of course, there is that pot filler. They ship it this way for safety, but it's basically a faucet that you can turn on and fill up your pots. And a stainless steel smooth top stove. You can option in a gas if you want. We did a different color on this hood vent to give it some of that contrast. A lot of people don't like to do that contrast, but as you can see, it's the contrasted on the island as well. So whichever works best for you and your color choices, we'd love to do it. You got a little space there for a coffee pot. One of my favorite features in here is actually this hidden pantry, which is really nice. The 4-bedroom version, I believe it's a little bit deeper. And of course you can add footage to this house and make this bigger if you like. Okay, we're gonna go check out the guest bedrooms in the utility room. Let's go see. We're standing here in the guest bedroom. You can see it's right off this little hallway that is next to the kitchen. You can see you got your drawer space. With your china sink, it is that square shape. That mirror needs to be hung. You got some nice vanity lighting up here as well. The elongated toilet, and then that wide tub shower combo. I've had some people option in a light or a window right there, and that's definitely something you can choose, one of those little transom windows. One of the things I love about this room is how wide it is. You could actually get dressed in this bathroom, which is not something you can do in a lot of those guest bathrooms. And it has this extra linen storage, which is awesome as well. So you're not limited to just putting stuff underneath the sink. We love that. Let's go check out guest bedrooms here. Well, right here first, that's your AC unit where it's gonna go, as well as the furnace. This is a pretty good sized bedroom here. A little bit bigger than the next bedroom. You see the two large windows. This is a queen size bed. So it gives you an idea. You got space for nightstands pretty easily. Could fit a desk or a dresser there, and a desk and a dresser here as well. I don't know if y'all noticed, that's 9-foot ceilings in this home with a big 5-inch crown molding. So that's always really nice as well. Of course, those vents are in the ceiling. And I say it in all the videos I do, but we make sure to upgrade the insulation in every house that we order here at Bolton Homes to make sure that you have really good energy efficiency. There's no point in buying a home paying a $400 or $500 a month light bill. We want to make sure we save it. Now this is bedroom 3. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, maybe a foot skinnier, but easily spaced for more a full-size bed or even a queen-size bed. Closet's the same size, but full with the door right now. That's one of those doors that'll hang at the center line. And let's go check out the utility room. It's not a super fancy utility room. It's got the exit, your water heaters right there. You got some storage space right here above your washer dryer. But it does give you the function you need. Now, if you add footage to the house, you can easily expand this if you wanted. I love the recessed dryer vent, so you can push your dryer all the way against the wall. And of course, you got your whole home shut off, which is absolutely necessary for addressing leaks and your hot and cold water. If you guys like this, make sure we check out the rest of the channel. We got plenty of tours on there. And of course, I'd love it if you follow and subscribe. Give me a like and make sure to comment. We're gonna go check out the master bedroom suite next. All the way across the home, because it is a split floor plan. We're in your master bedroom here. It is huge. That's another queen size bed, but you can see that there is easily room for a king size there. I've had people here do barn doors before to your closet and to your bathroom, but these are made to have just the regular hinge doors. I know you saw that window unit in the wall. Don't worry, when you order a home from us, you get a full-size AC unit. We just use those to help keep this whole home cool during the summer. And believe it or not, those 2 window units actually get you below 78 in here when it's 110 degrees outside. This closet is absolutely huge. You could probably do some extra shelving on the wall here, but you see how large it is. It is big. And then of course, one of the things I love that you see here in this Franklin home, that is an attic access there. So if you're having issues with your AC vents or lighting or anything like that, it's easy to access it and fix it, which is really nice. Now coming into this master bathroom, in the past we've had the built-in tub there. This time we did the freestanding tub. You can see it's got the shiplap accents on either side. I like how the shiplap doesn't go all the way up the wall, and so it kind of frames it out and gives it that extra contrast. Maybe do some floating shelves on either side of the window or either of these windows here. And then you got the large vanity with 2 sinks, your drawer stacks, as well as the large cabinet stack there as well. And you got your toilet here. Now some people like that toilet private. We'd kind of have to rearrange a little bit in here to do that, but we definitely can. This is our 60-inch tile shower. I really love that mixed river pebble. It looks really good in the basin. They do that standard at Franklin. They now have the 2 shower cubbies they do so that you can put your shampoo in there. You guys see that we have the rainmaker and a handheld here, and that handheld is right above bench seating. It's got that subway tile behind it. Looks really clean and nice. Another thing is they're now doing the tile all the way to the ceiling on all of the Franklin homes. We love that too. Guys, if you have questions, make sure you reach out, let me know, and don't forget, follow that channel. I'd love to have you be a subscriber. Thanks for watching and have a great day.